Okay, welcome to our rhythm studies in our music theory course. This is, of course, just the very basic stuff, getting started with understanding rhythm in music. Okay, so the first thing in today's lesson that I want you to be clear on is this note right here. Musical notes will tell us two things. They will tell us about which note to play, but they'll also tell us how long to hold them for. This particular note is called a quarter note, and it lasts for one beat, or what we would call one count. And let's remember something, in music, that's one thing that separates random rhythms in nature or in our lives from music. In music, there usually is a very predictable beat, right? And it's regular in its nature at a regular pulse, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And even at that, we're accustomed to that grouping of 4, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. And all of a sudden we hear that and we go, wow, somebody's playing music, or we know that it's music rather than just a random. Here's something like random, like, ba 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 ba. That just sounds like random notes and rhythms. That doesn't necessarily mean we really think that's music. So in music, the rhythms are organized. And this we're going to be learning about in terms of studying these rhythms. So let's remember, this is a quarter note. It lasts for one beat. And in music, we group things together into measures. And in this case, this measure is going to contain 4 beats. But right about now, you're looking over here and going, well, what is that? Well, if this is a quarter note that lasts for one beat, this must be the second beat, the third beat, and then this here must be a quarter rest, like so. So that means that it's going to be a rest, no sound for one beat. Okay, so let's try and just clap this together. You can do a lot of this course by just even clapping your hands, and then we'll try by playing notes. And I'm going kind of slow right now just for starters, just so you get a grip on how this all works, okay? So first I'm going to just do it with clapping my hands, and we're going to do this 4 total times, okay? 1, twice, 3, 4. Here we go, and I'm going to count off. I'm going to always go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go, and we start together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. Right? Fine. Now we can do it with notes too. Let me explain to you what I have here. Here's my middle C. Here is your bass C. And here is your treble C. So I could play this by going, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. Oh, I just hit it on there. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. And 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. Okay? Now let's remember something, that rest can be placed in other places, right? I could certainly put it here. And notice, though, I'm going to want to make sure I still have a total of 4 beats. That 4 beats is going to make our measure. And once we look at this stuff on music paper, we would call that actually a measure. That would be contained in it. But right now we're just learning our rhythms, okay? Let's do this one, okay? With the note C, okay? Here's my note C. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, rest. 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, 4, 1. Let's try it again, maybe a little slower. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, rest. 1, 1, rest. 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, 4, 1. Correct, okay? Let's do one more. This is a tricky one. Let me do this. Okay, now we're going to be what? Resting for the first beat. And then 1, that's a rest. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try that. Here we go. Using the note. I'm using my middle C, by the way. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And that really is the simple stuff, but the important stuff, the fundamentals, that quarter notes represent, in most cases, the pulse of the music. We detect quarter notes as our basic underlying rhythm. We'll go on to a lot more complex things right now in the next lesson. Thank you.